Northeast State Nagamese News Viewers Khan Ajilaga Main Headlines. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee Pra Reverend Franklin Graham ke visa dibole mana krato strongly condemn krishi. NSCN IM President Q Tukupra Unity Nimite Arobi Junai Dikina FNR Naga Groups ke ekilogote anibole fail hoy shikoikina criticize krishi. Nagaon Assam te government laga mati wapas lobo nimite dangor eviction shuru hoishi. Junior Hockey World Cup opening match day India pra Chile ke 7-0 pra harai dishi. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee NPCC pra BJP led government ke Reverend Franklin Graham ke entry visa deny kra nimite strongly condemn kurikna ituto unfair ase aru constitution te thaka freedom of faith opor attack ase koikina junadishi. NPCC junashi ki decision itu pra naga manukun led Reverend Billy Graham laga bacha ke welcome kurble rukhi takishe taka nimite ekta mon napuncha ase koikina visa dibule mana krato center pra loa ekta unfair decision ase koishi aru claim krishi ki tu pra BJP RSS government Christians or dusra minority groups again hisab na thakato sabole pai ase koikina junadishi. Party Junashi ki decision to naga manu laga unique identity aro Christian bisas opor insult ase koishi. NPCC pra NPFB to nimite equally responsible ase koikina NPF ke ku nakwa aro action noloa accuse koikina Junashi ki party center te ki hoise any manikina jai se koikina junadishi. Northeast Democratic Alliance aro state government te thaka hisab te NPF visa to pabulete modod dibole responsibility or power thaki shikoishi hoilibi party fail hoishi or naga manulaga emotions hisab kuri dia na koikina state krishi. NPCC jinashi ki takhan action nalapra NPF group B minority Christians against thaka ke support kranishna sabole pai koishi. NPCC jinashi ki takhan action nalapra NPF group B party junto minority Christians against ase takhan ke support kranishna sabole pai koishi. Judi NPF hosabi manukun takhan ki vote koishi tukhan naga bisas hisab koile takhan resign korbile lagi koikna NPCC pra junadishi. NPF or BJP legislators dutabi center laga hisab te chola puppets ase koikna NPCC junashi ki takhan nijor laga manu laga bisas or right protect korbile na parile ituto naga community nimite insult ase koishi. Committee pra center ke visa ke liye diana ito por ekdam thick aru transparent explanation dibole demand korikina Nagaland te thaka manu sob ke duita party state laga interest or Christian bisas bachabole fail hato point out korbile urge kurishi. Tatar Hoho winter session CHQ Hebron te kotha korikina NSCN IM President Q Tukupra Tatar Hoho our government ke time change hoi thaka laga hisab te kaam korikina bold decisions like Naga army bitorte rules or regulations kanchulai kina jabole junadishi. Tai junaishi ki manukun important role te ase taka nijor laga kam to bhal pra kurble lage koishe kile mane public ulta pulta kam to accept na kurubo koikina junadishi. Tukupra NSCN ke Naga history identity or sovereignty to bachabole urge koikina Indian government nogote kotha koikina jai thaka kamzor kura against defend kurble junadishi. Taibi Forum for Naga Reconciliation Naga Groups ke ekilogote anibole fail hoishi koikna criticize krishi aru misamisi intellectuals freedom fighters like a goal kamzor korbile kura khan against warn krishi. Dusra statement te Tatar Hohobi junaishi ki takhan naga dushman or political teachers khan naga manu ke bhag korbile kuri ese koikna Naga national political issue opor takhan naga commitment arubi ekbar reaffirm krishi. Takhan junashi ki government of India aru Naga manukun ke NSCN pra represent kore itu duita majute khali ekta agreement ase koishi junto to framework agreement ase koikna junadishi. Common platform bana laga idea opor sawal koikna Tatar Hoho pra NSCN charikna dusra entity ki ase koikna junadishi. Tatar Hoho junashi ki takhan India or Naga manu majute kotha bhal pra handle kuruba nimite framework agreement te hi pura bisas ase koikna FNR agreement itu laga bahar sawal kura to criticize koikna itu pra historic deal or kamzor koikna biya kordibo koikna junadishi. Nagaon district administration pra Kampur te government laga mati wapas lobo nimite illegal occupants thakate dangor eviction drive shuru krishi Ito operation to aji shuru kurishi junto to Kandapar, Chamkola aru Lutu Mari nishna jagate loikina jaisi Official sources janaise ki 5962 bigas nishna mati clear kurble aim ase koise ito operation bhal pra lubo nimite security personnel aru administrative teams kan deploy korikina ase authorities bi janaise ki eviction ito peace aru aram pra jaise aru itiata kun bi rukhabole kuranai koikina janaise administration bi janaise ki to recovered matito developmental aru public nimite cholabo koise Sports news say Indian men's FIH Hockey Junior World Cup 2025 campaign laga opening match tektam ball performance dekina Chile ke 7-0 pra harai dishe. Germany, Argentina aru Belgium bi takhan laga opening matches jitishe. India laga 18-member squad to captain Rohit pra lead korikina two-time Olympic bronze medalist PR Srijes pra coach kuri ase. Team India to pool B te Chile, Oman aru Switzerland lokote ase. India Junior Hockey to dubar jitikina ase. Itu bar Juniors Men's Hockey World Cup like a 14th edition te 24 teams ase. Juntu to choita group te bhag kori dikina ase. Aru group te kun jitipo takhan quarter final stage jabole ase.